Hello, friends.
Hello.
My name's Keegan.
I'm Liza.
And we are Low-Key Thrift.
Low-Key Thrift.
Okay, today
is a special day.
Special day. We've been waiting for this day. We have a mystery bundle.
Only I have a bundle today.
We will talk about that soon. Well, as to why. But this bundle is from
Twinelle.
So Twinelle is a Depop seller. I feel like she's pretty well known in like the thrifting world, pretty much.
She's trendy.
She does YouTube also.
She has more YouTube followers than
she has
Depop.
35,000 subscribers on YouTube and then 24,000 followers on Depop and over 1,000 sales on Depop. And she does 5 bundles
every Friday.
2 o'clock Pacific time. She's in California, and then that's 5 o'clock our time. And they like sold like immediately, pretty much within like a minute. So you have
I got one.
Be on top of it.
I couldn't believe it, honestly. Yeah. I was in the car with Keegan. We had just thrifted. And I said, I'm not getting out of your car until I attempt. Because I was like, it was 5 minutes to 5. And I was like, if I go upstairs, start talking to my family, I'm going to forget. And that's that. So I was like, I'm staying in this car. So I kept refreshing. It was available. I bought it. Boom, that's it. I went back to her page. They were sold out. So I'm a little nervous. My style compared to Twinelle's is polar opposites. Like literally completely different. She's like into the, like, I wouldn't say cottagecore because she's not alternative at all. It's like florals and like,
like
old fashioned, but like hers are like pastels.
Yeah.
And,
you're like, give me black.
Yeah, midi skirts. She's into all that. I'm like leggings, cool top. That's it. And like I play on my feminine side and more masculine side. So it's like I don't really have like stereotype of clothing. I don't know. Yeah. So I was nervous, but I just knew I had to get it.
I would have bought one, but everything on her page is women's clothes.
Yeah.
But she just started going thrifting for her bundles as opposed to like pulling clothes from her inventory. So I'm like, oh, maybe she'll do like a men's bundle now, you know?
I can see it.
I messaged her and I said, hey, Twinelle, do you happen to do men's mystery bundles? This was on the 18th of March. It's now the 6th of April. Yeah.
I feel like she could have hit you with a nah.
And she didn't respond. So
I wonder how many messages she does get. To be fair, she does probably get a lot of messages. Mm-hmm. But I feel like that's a valid question. Or like at least mention in like a video, like, hey, I'm not doing men's yet. Like through watching her for a while now, I feel like I've always wanted her to do plus size. And she's been like, I don't have enough good pieces to do plus size. And then now that she's sourcing for your bundle, she's like, yeah, I'll do plus size. Mm-hmm. So you would think that she would do men's too, but.
Yeah, so I didn't want to risk it and just buy one and then have her be like, no, tough, like, you know?
Yeah, and to be honest, Keegan and I really thought that she was just going to refund me.
Because I don't think she's done any, she posts a lot of her bundle videos on YouTube.
Most of them she posts on YouTube or TikTok.
I don't think she's posted any plus size bundles yet.
So yeah, she hasn't posted any plus size. Mm-hmm. So I do believe I am her first one. Yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I do believe. And I was a tricky one for her. I do think I have been one of her hardest bundles. Yeah. Hands down.
She like messaged you and she was
a lot.
I'm having trouble.
Yes. So I don't know if you want me to screen record this. Maybe, you know. So I messaged her immediately after and I was like, hey, I'm so excited I got one. You know, I'm so excited you do plus size bundles now. When I get home, I'll do my measurements because I have never taken my measurements. And she was like, woo, thanks so much for your purchase. Sounds good. Like so sweet, bubbly, as you can imagine if you know Twinelle. So then the next day I sent her all my measurements. I don't know how measurements work. I don't know how to do this. So I sent her across the bust, under bust, stomach, hips, each thigh. I told her like what size I normally am. I'm usually 3X in women's and men's. And I told her, I was like, I wear female and male, feminine and masculine clothing. So whatever you pick, like you can go to the men's, I don't care. I said, I know you said to let the Depop likes reflect your style, so I liked a bunch of stuff. I never like anything on Depop because I never really see anything in my size. Unless it's accessories, I don't find much. So I went through and I liked as much as I possibly could in like the plus size range. So then I said, I'm also totally down for whatever you pick. So keep that in mind. So I can't be mad with anything. I'm still going to give my honest opinion on it, but I said you can do anything you like because I just wanted to get a real Twinelle bundle. So I was like, I wanted to let you know that I usually wear Torrid brand leggings or Torrid work pants. I've never had anyone buy me pants. It makes me nervous, but we'll get to that.
This is pretty heavy, so there might be pants in
I
here.
think so. So I was like, no pressure at all. Like, whatever you want to do, it's fine. Sorry, I wrote you an essay. And she was like, thanks for your measurements. Awesome. How tall are you? I said, I'm 5'9". And then 2 days pass. Drama. I'm like, hey, I'm having a bit of trouble sourcing your style. Could you like more items? I noticed you only have one bottom like. My bad. Do you like dresses or pants? She was telling me she doesn't include like graphic shirts or sweatshirts because the imagery is inconsistent. So she's not sure what to gravitate towards. And she was like prints, textures, silhouettes, stuff like that.
I don't understand that.
I don't understand like this.
Imagery is inconsistent.
I don't know. I'm like, send me a Nike shirt. Like, it's totally fine. Like, whatever. So I was like, listen, I leave work in an hour. I'll go on a liking spree. So I liked so much stuff, in my opinion. I told her I liked stuff that wasn't necessarily my size, so you could see like the types of materials. I'm not
Just
experienced.
like the style, I feel.
I told her, I was like, I'm definitely a pants girl. Like, I mean, I guess if there was like a really nice dress, I'd wear it with leggings. I've done that before, but I prefer pants and a top. So I liked a bunch of stuff. I told her it wasn't really in my size. I was like, I like every print and texture except I hate velvet. I like it, just hate washing it, hate dealing with it, don't want it. Huge fan, I'm so excited, blah, blah, blah. Really nice. She didn't say anything. Then on the 31st, hey, I mailed out your order. She mailed it on the 31st, I got it the 2nd. So that's pretty quick. So start to finish, bought it on the 26th, I received it on the 2nd. That's fairly quick for someone sourcing for you. It's 2 pieces of clothing. I know she usually likes to do a top and a bottom. I'm nervous.
How much?
And it's $40 plus tax and shipping. So it came to it was $48 and then tax, I believe. So let's just say $50. I would normally never spend that. But it's Twinelle. Like, I had to, you know? And I wanted to open it so bad for days. Today is the 6th. So, I'm so nervous.
Let's see what she got you, baby. You need a knife?
No.
Okay. Get ripping.
I'm so nervous. And also, if I try this stuff on, it's definitely not been washed. So, like...
Oh, probably not. I see black.
This looks like a good sign.
It's promising.
Black.
And these are fun colors down here.
Smells like thrift store.
Yeah. Doesn't smell bad, though.
Okay.
Like...
Let's see what we got. Oh, no.
Okay. Oh, you got stickers.
Wait. Okay. Oh, boy.
Is it like a scarf?
Satin?
Oh, it's a top.
This is kind of cool. It's weird. I like it, though.
It's like...
This is fun. You don't like it? It reminds me of like the 90s.
Maybe if I gotta see it with like a complete outfit, I feel.
Do I look like art teacher or do I look like cool kid?
A little art teacher, I feel.
But it's definitely funky.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
okay.
vintage.
It's vintage.
Vicky V.
I'm so nervous, yo. I can't. Is this a skirt?
Is it a dress? Uh-oh.
Is that vintage?
I think so, yeah. Los Angeles. I don't hate it.
No. It's pretty. I just don't go anywhere.
I just don't go anywhere. We can't go anywhere.
Okay.
What's the brand? La Piece.
It's sheer. I told her I like sheer. Okay. This is cute. I love floral. Can't be mad at it. Okay.
Are these the pants? A shirt. A shirt. It's a shirt.
Ava and Viv.
I think it's a vintage one though. The tag looks vintage.
What is this? A
You
blazer?
like that brand, right? Ava
Yeah.
and Viv?
They're a classic, like, plus size staple. It's like a
like
blazer. Right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This is like perfect for me. I love blazers.
Oh, the buttons, I think.
Okay.
It's like a weird little. Oh, it's got 2 buttons, so you can like make it more snug or loose.
It does look
or
like a
whatever.
vintage one of theirs because I haven't seen one like
the
that.
tag's different.
Okay, honestly, I am pleasantly surprised. Sorry. I am very pleasantly surprised. I was so scared to get pants. And I do think after I said I liked pants, I did like a few dresses.
Yeah.
So, okay, I guess I should try this stuff on. I'm so nervous, yo. I haven't shaved my legs. And I'm going to keep my leggings on.
No one's gonna see them through the camera.
No one's going to see your legs. Okay.
Good luck. What do we think?
It fits nicely. I can't really see. I haven't looked in a mirror. I'm just looking in this. There were some deodorant stands on this, but like, what do you expect? The bust fits perfect. Stomach, it like perfectly, like it's a little loose, but it's good. This is like loose, but I'm here for it. Like, okay. I wish you could see it more. So the dress, this will be hella short. But some people are there for it, you know. I would wear it as like more of a top. I like the dress a lot more on than I did like just looking at it. This is, I don't know if she meant for this to be part of it.
But it works.
But it works. She said she doesn't necessarily pick her stuff to like be together. But
Yeah.
I like both pieces.
Very nice.
Thank you. I feel like a Barbie or something. I'm a fan. It's
A
different.
vintage Barbie.
I feel like if I was flatter here, it would come longer. Or if I had a smaller belly, it would come longer. But it'd be kind of cute to like do like a little tie. Like, oh, I'm just walking with my dumbbells. You know, like, I actually love it. 10 out of 10. This is like a little big, but I kind of like it too.
I feel like you could maybe tie that too. Or no, it's too long.
It's too long.
That might be good for like work.
Yeah, work staple. And thin at work, it gets
Yeah.
so hot, like running around packing stuff out. But I feel like this was her take on like my more masculine side. Was throwing this in. And this was like girly, fun, funky.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about it.
So,
I'm happy with it. I'm more than happy with it. I am so surprised. And I feel like I'll genuinely wear this stuff. Honestly, like I was like, okay, like it'll be cute, like good video, good like just happy to get one. But I'm the most excited. I just ripped the stuff off and threw it. So about this one.
I'm surprised. Actually, no, I'm not surprised.
I'm the most excited about this one. I feel like an 80s plus size workout Barbie. And what's wrong with it?
There's like a minor pull, but that's it. It's really not noticeable.
This is so funky. Sorry, I'm like obsessed. Yeah, I think she killed it.
Out of 5.
Killed it. 5.
5.
Hands down 5.
Yeah.
She gave me an extra piece. Like, what? So nice. So, I mean, if you like mystery bundles,
Check out Twinelle.
And you like kind of a vintage, florally. Most of her style is feminine, I want to say. Like, that's the easiest way to describe it. It's very feminine, very girly.
I think she always picks, like, vintage items.
Yeah.
Too, for her bundles.
She killed it.
Good job, Twinelle. Good for you.
Good for you. So yeah, I'm super happy. I would totally buy it again. Maybe I won't, though, so I don't stress her out. But
I'm gonna buy the next one.
I told Keegan he should just buy it and see what happens.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, she refunds you.
Yeah.
Just see what happens. Get a little slip dress or something.
That'll be a good try-on video, right?
Oh yeah.
Slip dress.
That's hot. So yeah, I'm so hyped. So hyped. I don't know where I'm gonna wear that dress yet, though.
Yeah.
I need to find me a date or something. A little romantic date by the pier. Just kidding.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Twinelle's first plus size bundle.
So we think.
Unboxing. I'm gonna say it's the first.
Yeah.
If I haven't seen it online until now,
It's the first.
it's the first.
So
fight me if you think otherwise.
If we're wrong, we apologize, but we don't care. I'm just kidding. Let us know if we're wrong.
Let us know if we're wrong. I love to be humbled. But yeah, so that's so exciting. I think that's why she gave me an extra piece.
Okay.
That
she
or
makes
she
a
was...
YouTube of your batch.
I sure hope so. I was staying away from her YouTube and I checked it today.
There's nothing yet.
Nothing.
Right? Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Have a good summer.
Have a good summer.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Noon Eastern time.
So, yeah, wait.
It was Pacific time.
Not us time.
Was it noon?
It was noon her time, so it was 5 o'clock here or something. Or no, 2 p.m.
2 her time. It was, so.
At her.
2 o'clock.